All right, so we're gonna make a peach galette. I got my 350 grams of all-purpose flour. Put this inside your food processor here. Then you're gonna add your salt. You're gonna add your sugar. Put the lid on real quick. We're gonna mix these up real quick. All right, so got that all nice mixed together. Now we're gonna take our butter that we had cubed in the freezer. It's 8 ounces. We're gonna pulse this till it gets like a real grainy texture, and then before we add our wet liquid. Okay. So now it's like a nice sandy texture, kind of like a gritty, mealish texture. We get 2 tablespoons of ice cold water. Put this on. All right, this is where we add the bourbon. So 2 ounces. Reason why we add like an alcohol, you can put vodka, but it's peaches, so I figure we'll use some nice bourbon. It helps prevent gluten, so it slows up the gluten, so you don't get like a real stretchy dough. You get that flaky, crusty dough. Got it going. Right. Move our dough. We want to get all these pieces out. You're gonna kind of make it into a round. So I have it into this nice round right here. Big box. And you're just gonna fold it over. All right, wrap it tight. Refrigerate. All right, so we halved all our peaches, took out the seeds, and all you're gonna do is you're gonna make nice, even slices, because we're gonna lay this out. You turn it.
I just thought it would look nice.
All right, so we have our galette dough here. It's been chilling for a little over an hour. Smell it, you can smell the bourbon in it. All right, you're just gonna roll it out into a little bit oversized pie crust. All right, so you're gonna make it round, however big you want, but remember, you're gonna wanna leave yourself at least like 2 fingers lengths all the way around so you can fold it over. So you want your filling in the middle. So we're gonna put this in the refrigerator for a little bit, let it set, and then we're gonna bring it back out and start doing the filling. All right, so now you're gonna just start arranging your peaches. Okay, I'm gonna just go with the nice pattern. All right, so now we just went around with our 6 to 7 peaches. So now it's all nice and pretty. And start folding. All right, so now that you have it, everything's set, it was nice and chilled. You're gonna take your egg wash and you're just gonna hit up the sides right here, all the way around. All right, there's that. Now we're gonna go put it in the Traeger at 400 degrees or your oven at 400 degrees for about 45 minutes. So we have the Traeger preheated at 400 degrees. Put the cast iron down so it doesn't burn the bottom. Check back in about 45 minutes. Okay, so it's been baking for about 45 minutes now. It's a really beautiful, nice brown color to it. A little bit of the juices spilled out and got caramelized over there, but that's fine. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, click the link,